Boost your testosterone naturally, the power of ashwagandha. Looking for a natural way to support healthy testosterone levels? Ashwagandha, an ancient herb, has been shown to help reduce stress, improve energy, and boost testosterone naturally. Learn how it works, who can benefit, and how to use it for the best results. Try AvidaSana Ashwagandha today and take control of your vitality. Namaste, students. Did you know that your body holds an ancient secret to vitality? A secret that has been used for thousands of years to promote strength, endurance, and yes, even healthy testosterone levels. This powerful gift of nature is called Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is not just an herb, it is a force of nature. In Ayurveda, we call it a Rasayana, a rejuvenator that restores balance to the body and mind. But what does that have to do with testosterone? Let me explain. Modern science confirms what Ayurveda has known for centuries. Studies show that ashwagandha can reduce stress and cortisol levels, which can interfere with testosterone production, enhance energy, strength, and endurance, making your workouts more effective, improve reproductive health, supporting natural hormone balance. You see, stress is like a thief. It steals your energy, your drive, and even your testosterone. But ashwagandha acts as a warrior, fighting off stress so your body can do what it was meant to do, thrive. Now, how do you use this ancient herb for modern wellness? It's simple. Take 500 to 600 milligrams of AvidaSana Ashwagandha daily with food. For best results, be consistent, give it 8 to 12 weeks to work its magic. Pair it with exercise and a balanced diet for maximum benefits.
My dear students, your body is a temple. Nourish it with the wisdom of nature. If you seek natural support for your strength, energy, and vitality, try AvidaSana Ashwagandha today. The journey to wellness begins with a single step. Remember, health is not just about living, it is about living well. Until next time, stay strong, stay balanced, and embrace ancient wisdom for modern wellness. Namaste, my dear students, wishing you good health.